cottage in the forest.
Little Red Riding Hood, your grandmother is ill. I would like to take this cake to her. It will make her feel better.
Okay, Mother.
Remember, workers will there. Don't stop, talkers funny.
Don't worry. I will not start doing strangers.
Be careful, Little Riding Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood started to walk through the woods to her grandmother's house.
Oh, what beautiful flowers. Grandmother loves flowers. I think so for her.
Little Red Riding Hood stopped to pick some flowers. The big bad wolf crept up behind her.
Oh, hello, little girl. Where are you going? I'm taking this cake to grandmother.
Hoping of you, your grandmother will be happy. Where does your grandmother live?
She lives in a cottage, right next to the big tree over the hill.
I see. Take care of yourself. Goodbye, little girl.
Goodbye, Mr. Wolf.
The wolf had a plan.
I know the fastest way to get there before she arrives and it's her grandmother. And then I need the little girl.
The wolf took a shortcut to grandmother's cottage and knocked on the door.
Hello, grandmother. It's me, Little Riding Hood. May I come in? That's not Little Riding Hood. I show her somewhere.
Grandmother quickly hid in the cupboard. The wolf opened the cottage door and went inside.
There is none here. I will get into it and wait for the little girl. Oh no! But Little Red Riding Hood is clever. I shall be okay.
The wolf jumped into grandmother's bed and put on a night gown and cap. Soon, Little Red Riding Hood knocked on the cottage door.
Hello, grandmother. This is Little Red Riding Hood. May I come in? Come in, my dear.
Grandmother, where are you?
I am in bed, dear.
May, what big ears you have, grandmother.
How did I turn this ear, you will?
May, what big eyes you have, grandmother.
How did I turn to see, you will?
May, what big teeth you have, grandmother.
How did I turn to eat, you will? Ah!
The wolf jumped out of the bed and went straight for Little Red Riding Hood. Just then, a woodcutter walked past the cottage and heard the screaming.
Oh my, what a bad wolf!
The woodcutter ran inside and followed the bad wolf.
You're safe now, little girl.
Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome. Grandmother, where are you?
I am in the comfort, my dear.
Little Red Riding Hood ran to the cupboard and let her grandmother out.
Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Thanks for saving my granddaughter.
It was no problem. I never touch the stairs in the forest again.